Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to warm up your email mailboxes using the Emelia software. It's very simple. Once you're logged into the platform, you just need to go to the Tools section and click on Email Warmup. Here, I already have some email addresses connected to my Emelia platform. If you don't have any, you click on Connect New Mailboxes. Depending on whether you have a Google Workspace account, which is a paid Google account, a regular free Gmail, a Microsoft account, or if you're with another provider, all the options are included. So you make your choice. And depending on that, the procedure isn't necessarily the same. For Google Workspace, there's a specific procedure. For Microsoft, you need to be the admin account of the company to be able to connect the mailbox. Or if it's in Outlook, there's no problem. Once your mailboxes are connected, you just have to click on the little button here to activate the warm-up. And once you activate the warm-up, we check your mailbox's DNS settings. So the MX, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. If, for example, like with this mailbox, the DMARC isn't configured by default, I encourage you to set it up. It's not very complicated. There's a video on this topic, but you can also simply ask ChatGPT to explain how to set up DMARC. It's really, really simple. And so once you've done that, you might need to wait an hour or two for the DNS to propagate, as they say. And then you can just click on the three little dots here and click to recheck the email configuration. And so right after that, this will turn green. The email warm-up is completely automatic. You don't have to configure anything else on your end. We are the ones who send the emails based on the activity of your mailboxes. And at the beginning, if you connect the mailbox for the first time, it ramps up gradually. So on the first day, we create 1 or 2 email exchanges. On the second day, 3 or 4 email exchanges, and so on and so forth, until we reach about 20 to 25 emails per day. And so once your mailbox has been warming up for long enough, you'll start to get a score. Don't worry if you don't have a score of 100. If you have above 90, everything is going very well. And you'll see statistics here that show the different email exchanges. So here, everything is in green. This email address landed in spam 3 times, but that was before the period currently displayed on the screen. If you have any other questions about email warmup, I invite you to ask them directly through Emelia's support. If there's something that's not clear in the video, you can also mention it directly in the comments of this video on YouTube. We will see each other again very soon for the next video. Have a great day. See you soon.